Welcome to today's session on enhancing team communication. Managing your team effectively starts with building a strategy for clear, consistent, and quick communication. In this session, we'll explore various tools that support collaboration, helping you align your team for success. Effective communication is essential for driving productivity within your team. The right tools enable instant messaging, group collaboration, and centralized communication. Let's explore specific tools designed to enhance team connectivity and efficiency. To streamline your communication efforts, here are some highly recommended tools: Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Hangouts, RingCentral Glip, Skype for Business, and Zoho Click. These platforms support messaging, performance tracking, and compliance to keep your teams on track. Slack is a leading communication platform that simplifies team messaging. It supports chats, file sharing, and video meetings, making it a versatile option for startup teams seeking real-time collaboration. To learn more about Slack's robust features, visit their website at slack.com/features. This will give you a comprehensive overview of how Slack can fit into your team's workflow. Slack offers pricing options that cater to startups at varying stages of growth. Assess your team needs to choose the plan that best enables efficient communication. Microsoft Teams is a centralized collaboration tool offering chat, file sharing, and video conferencing features. It serves a range of purposes, from project management to general team updates, ensuring seamless communication. Microsoft Teams offers both free and paid accounts. The free version is a great entry point for startups exploring professional communication tools. To leverage Microsoft Teams effectively, it is important to customize interactions for your team's unique needs. Let's look at best practices that ensure you get the most out of this tool. Here's how to optimize Microsoft Teams. Create dedicated teams for projects, use channels for topic-specific discussions, organize files using the Files tab, and schedule video meetings when context matters. Additionally, use the Tasks tab to manage assignments, take collaborative notes during meetings, and utilize the search function to locate specific details. Stay connected even on the go with the mobile app. Google Hangouts delivers free and interactive communication through messages, emoji, and group video calls. For startups with limited budgets, this is an effective way to engage and manage teams. RingCentral Glip is another free app designed for startups. It facilitates messaging, video meetings, and group creation, offering a full suite of collaboration tools for growing teams. Explore how RingCentral Glip simplifies team collaboration with its intuitive interface and robust communication features. Skype for Business is a budget-friendly option for startups, blending phone calls, instant messaging, and file sharing. You can also record meetings and build collaborative groups effortlessly. You can access Skype for Business either through its downloadable app or online platform, making it flexible for any working setup. Zoho Click brings teams together by enabling seamless communication and tool integration. This solution is tailored for startups aiming for efficient organization and collaboration. With cost-effective pricing, Zoho provides startups with comprehensive tools at a fraction of the cost, making scalability practical and affordable. Remote work presents unique challenges, from isolation to miscommunication. Combat these by fostering open dialogue, regular check-ins, and team engagement activities to maintain an inclusive and connected environment. In summary, effective team communication is pivotal for startup success. Today, we explored various tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zoho Click, and discussed their role in driving team collaboration and productivity. Choose the tools that best align with your vision.